Thousands of pets in need of adoption here in the Coachella Valley, and that is why one group arranged for a huge event geared toward adopting as many animals as possible. KMIR's Matt Vanderveer has the details.
Good evening. I'm here at Whitewater Park in Rancho Mirage for one of the biggest pet adoption events of the entire year. Now, it's put on by Loving All Animals, and they say they brought in various groups from around the area to try and get hundreds of pets adopted. Follow the yellow brick road right up to these fences. You won't find the magical Wizard of Oz.
There's 38 different animal rescue organizations here with probably about 560 dogs and cats.
Instead, you'll find hundreds of pets in need of adoption. Renee Painter was diagnosed with breast cancer last year. She says during chemo, it was her adopted dog Kona that got her through it.
She sat with me. I was crying a lot. She sat on my leg and she looked at me with her big eyes and she's saying, "Mommy, I'm here."
Others just couldn't resist the urge to see these faces.
I have two, and every time I have three, I get complaints and I almost get evicted.
President and founder of Loving All Animals, Lindy Biji, says the euthanasia numbers in our area are staggering.
In our community, we're killing like 57% of the dogs and 80% of the cats that hit our public shelters. And we want to get that down to where we're considered a no-kill community, which means that 90% of them walk out of the shelters alive.
It's one of the largest pet adoption events. The theme is Wizard of Oz.
We're trying to showcase them in a place where they look good and they feel good and they're happy and they're wagging their tails, and we're elevating people's perception of what a shelter dog is.
In fact, Biji says 30% of rescue pups are purebred.
Once they get into a home and somebody really loves them, they appreciate it. They seem to know they've been saved.
A tone that seemed to echo throughout the day.
I want to take every single one of them home today.
You're saving an animal's life. I tell everybody, adopt. They're so sweet.
Now, if you're interested in adopting or would like to donate to Loving All Animals, you can go to our website, that's KMIR6.com, and click on this story. In Rancho Mirage, Matt Vanderveer, back to you.